ready. Under the second 5-year plan, the government want to start junior technical institutes, but so far the education department is not in a position to know what type of junior technical institutes are going to be established in the country. Every time we ask the established in the country education department to furnish us with details of their schemes, the reply we get from the education ministry is that some officer of the department has been sent abroad to study this question, and only when the returns from abroad will they be able to finalize the thing. An officer of the education department has been sent to study this institution in France. I think he must have spent 4 or 5 months in France, but the reply that the education ministry had given is that he could not study the entire scheme and he wants some other officer to be deputed to study. As I said before, under the second 5-year plan, we are to start junior technical institutes, but so far the education department is not in a position to give even the correct information to those private agencies which are there ready to start these schools. Therefore, I request the education department not to skip other things but to take very active steps in collecting the necessary information and in helping the private agencies who want to start these institutes in this country. Paraching. I know my people are suffering because they are being given a very defective type of education. Today we have to depend upon the reservation whenever any vacancy occurs in a department. That vacancy, even if it is reserved, is not filled by a scheduled caste man. Naturally, this type of education will not help a candidates to choose any other profession except to depend upon esti- government establishment. Therefore, it is necessary at least to see that the scheduled caste, the scheduled tribes, and the tribal people do not depend upon the reserved society. They must be given technical education for that the education department will have to spend enormous money. I do not want government to simply waste money in propaganda against untouchability. This is a real step which would definitely improve the condition and make the scheduled caste to be independent. That is without being dependent upon departments service. Therefore, I would like to Home Ministry to give special directive to all the state government